I'm Abigail of Ground and Grow Yoga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have videos for those of you who are stressed, busy, burnt out, don't know where to start. Check out my playlists that are rearranged into how much time you have. So whether you have 5 minutes or an hour, that you are able to get yoga into your life. And I started Ground and Grow Yoga to help people find a little bit of peace in a busy world. And I want you to feel free to leave comments, to reach out, to really become an active participant in this community so that I can better help you. Make sure that you subscribe as well as leave likes so that I can continue to make free content for you. If you have any questions, please drop them below in the comments, and I hope that you enjoy my channel. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.